Greetings and welcome to another video. In today's episode, we will be explaining the concept of everyone is you pushed out in just 3 minutes. Now, let's get started. Everyone is you pushed out is one of the most radical concepts to grasp because the moment you realize what it means, it will change how you perceive reality and how you manifest things. Everyone is you pushed out simply means that every person in your outer world, every person you come across in your life is you. Everyone in your reality simply is a reflection of your own self, a different aspect of yourself that you have tied to a role according to your inner convictions. People act the way they do because of our inner convictions, our assumptions and state of being, and whatever we believe about ourselves, this will be projected externally. If you believe that all women are unfaithful, this is what you are going to experience: unfaithful women. If you have the belief that nobody appreciates you, this is what you will get: people that don't appreciate you. People will always act accordingly to the role that they are assigned to by your beliefs. The whole buzzword is no more than man's imagining pushed out. I must qualify that by saying that the world outside of man is dead, but man is a living soul, and it responds to man, yet man is sound asleep and does not know it. In reality, there is no separation. People and the entire world are extensions of our own self. Consciousness is the first cause substance, and everything that was created by consciousness should be consciousness. We are pure consciousness, and everything is created by consciousness, so everything is an extension of us. We are the living souls and the operant power that gives color and animation to anything external. And that was the end of our video. Don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, you can always leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the notification bell. Don't forget, you can always leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.